Built for confidence and control, the M Lock system by Nexcomb from the house of Aludecor secures panels with mechanical precision. Designed to meet the demands of high-rise and high-impact architecture, it uses advanced anchor technology to keep facades safe, stable, and flat. When strength matters most, M Lock delivers. In this video, we'll explore the M Lock system by Nexcomb. Customized aluminium honeycomb panels are manufactured with two sides featuring J-shaped edges, while the other two sides are neatly folded for a clean, finished look. Aludecor launches Nexcomb M Lock and Nexcomb EdgeLock M clamps for panels of varying thicknesses, enhancing their Aludecor system's range. At the start of installation, we begin by fixing the brackets to the wall or available substrate using anchor fasteners, spaced as per the design load requirements for wind and other expected loads. These brackets then support the aluminium frame, fabricated in the specified size and alloy, secured in place with steel bolts as per the design load requirements. Nexcomb panels are secured using M Lock or EdgeLock M clamps, depending on the panel thickness. These clamps are then fastened to the aluminium frame using screws. Nexcomb panels are secured with M Lock or EdgeLock M clamps, fastened to the aluminum frame with screws, with EdgeLock featuring caps and M Lock offering optional silicone sealing. Nexcomb panels are the first in India to achieve FR2 certification for products ranging from 6 mm to 100 mm